Hello, I'm Emre from Binance Global's affiliate program. Today, I'll show you how to trade tokenized bStock shares. I'll show you how to buy Invesco. First, register on Binance Global. Yes, friends, I will show you how to trade tokenized Invesco stocks on Binance Global. First, you need to create an account on Binance Global. By using a referral code during account creation, you'll gain a special advantage. And what is that advantage? You get lifetime spot trading. You get a 20% commission rebate. Additionally, you can take advantage of a 10% commission rebate on all leveraged trades. Subject to local regulations, if Binance's leverage trading services are permitted in your country, provided that it is compliant and you are able to use it according to regulations. Of course, I must mention this information. Apart from this, there is a periodic Binance Global bonus of $19,800, task-based bonus advantage. You are welcome to take advantage of these too. Now, after registering, we need to do KYC verification. You need to be compliant with regulations. You can do the KYC verification process very easily with your mobile phone. You can do it from the Binance Global mobile application. You can use your passport, ID, driver's license, or citizenship card. After verifying on Binance Global, we will need to deposit funds. We must purchase a stablecoin. As you can see in the top right, when I click Home, I select Add Money. Here, you can choose the currency of the country you live in. I clicked on VMware. It says Buy with USD, as you can see. I clicked there. There is a Pay with section. How do you want to pay? I clicked that. I'm going to select Visa or MasterCard. You can choose whichever option works best for you. I'll click Confirm. I'm going to purchase Tether now, but you are welcome to buy USDC here if you prefer. I click Tether. I am writing $1,000 here, for example. Preview order appeared, as you can see. Once you click that, follow the subsequent steps to have $1,000 in your account within minutes. You can deposit the necessary sufficient Tether, USDT. Now we have bought our stablecoin. From here, I want to take you to the market section. Look, there is a market at the bottom here. After clicking here, let me show you from home. Here you click on the market section. The market section. Now on this screen, in the home section, we click on the market section. There is crypto, TradeFi, Alpha. We'll trade in TradeFi. I clicked TradeFi and selected bStocks. And then, I am selecting Invesco. This is the Invesco chart, everyone. If you click the Info tab, you can see the Invesco bStock tokenized shares. You can see the latest status. Market cap, dominance, volume. You can see the circulating supply, everything. Now, there's buy and sell at the bottom right. I clicked Buy. On this screen, the reds you see on the right are sell orders, the greens are buy orders. Friends, the one in the middle, shows the current price. Now, when buying shares, from the red ones, I choose one of the two above the current price. You can choose one of the two or whichever is most suitable for you. I clicked. I wrote $1,000. When I click Buy, Invesco, I will have bought the shares, friends. When selling, I click on Sell. This time, the one on the right. I click on one of the first two rows below the current price from the buy orders in green color. You can choose what suits you best. I'm entering the share value here. When I click Sell, I have sold it. That is how easy it is to trade, friends.